Our team has successfully completed a major project this week, which involved the Softwash Building Washing at Tamborine Mountain State School. The scope of this project included the softwash cleaning of 10 buildings, along with the upper-level concrete and stairwells of one of the buildings. Our highly skilled cleaning technicians executed this project with great ease and proficiency. We utilized our low-pressure, high-flow cleaning equipment, combined with specialized soaps and cleaning agents, to remove unsightly mold, algae, cobwebs and stubborn red dirt. Our team was able to complete this project over the weekend, resulting in a stunning transformation of Tamborine Mountain State Schools buildings, restoring vibrancy to its exterior. At High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast, we pride ourselves in providing exceptional exterior cleaning services. Our team of trained cleaning technicians, including business owners, use professional equipment and processes to achieve outstanding results every time. No job is too big or too small for us. We are always available to provide you with a free proposal for your cleaning needs. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast 0432264606.